I know that Lions International is one of the biggest organizations of the voluntary organizations of the whole world, and is known and has earned dignity and fame because of its selfless leadership and selfless sacrifice for the sake of the society. With its roots in over 200 countries of the whole world and with over 47,000 clubs that you just now referred to and millions of members all over the world, it certainly is a very important organization for humanity. And I have seen that in every crisis it has stood the test of time. It has worked with sincerity, commitment, dedication, efficiency and very pious feelings. I must thank all of you for the kind-hearted support that you have extended through your various missionary activities in these troubled COVID times. You have been otherwise helping the cause of the society through various activities, through various medical missions, through various social activities, through various activities for education, literacy, etc., etc. As Health Minister in 1994, I had the privilege to dream about a polio-free India and started working on it in Delhi itself. We could successfully organize the Pulse Polio Immunization Program in 94 in Delhi. A few hundred organizations were directly involved in its success, and Lions International was also one of them. But I was too pleased when in 95 Lions International was the first organization in the country where I was invited to receive an international award. Although later on I got many international awards and national awards for my work in polio eradication and tobacco control, but Lions International was the first one. So I acknowledge your continuous support and blessings and contribution for the cause of good things which I have witnessed from close quarters. During this COVID crisis also, you have also elaborated a bit of it, but I am also aware that all our clubs of Lions International have been working with utmost commitment in the field. And in this crisis, what is actually required is leaders at the community level, the development of the community leadership and its manifestation for the society. Because fighting COVID is not a big rocket science. It is about enabling the society to understand and appreciate what is COVID-19 and how you can protect yourself from COVID.